Good morning. Myself Shalini Garg, लेक्चरर इलेक्ट्रॉनिक्स गवर्नमेंट पॉलिटेक्निक कॉलेज जोधपुर। आज हम ट्रांसमीटर के एलिमेंट्स डिस्कस करेंगे। These are the various parts elements of the transmitter: light source, housing, electronic interface, optical interface, drive circuitry, temperature sensing and control, optical output sensing, electronic signal pre-processing, external modulator and attenuators. Now, this is the block diagram of the elements used in fiber optic transmitter. First, we have an electronic interface which simply provides the power supply to the entire circuit. Then we have an electronic pre-processing circuit. This converts the electrical signal into the suitable form which is required by the drive circuit. The drive circuit then drives the light source which produces the light output. The light output can be directly modulated by this drive circuitry, in which case the intensity of light varies directly in proportion to the modulating signal, or if the light source provides constant output, then it is modulated externally by external modulator. An attenuator, if required, attenuates the signal power. Then we have optical monitoring circuit to keep the output power constant. This is fed back to the drive circuit and the output power is maintained constant. The temperature monitoring circuitry is required to maintain constant temperature, as laser diode is highly sensitive to temperature. So, we require cooler to maintain constant temperature. Finally, we have an optical interface which interfaces the optical signal, that is, couples it into the fiber. All these elements are encased in a special chamber known as housing. First is electronic interface. These are wires for standard electronic connections or pins energizing the transmitter. Second, the electronic pre-processing circuitry. In some transmitter, the input electrical signal are electronically processed to put them into suitable form to drive the light source. लाइट सोर्स को ड्राइव करने के लिए उन्हें जिस फॉर्म में सिग्नल चाहिए उस फॉर्म में कन्वर्ट करता है ये इलेक्ट्रॉनिक प्री प्रोसेसिंग सर्किट. Then we have optical light source. We have two optical light source. One is LED, light emitting diode, and second is laser. LED is a semiconductor device which provides medium modulation speed incoherent output light and is used mainly for short distance less than 1 kilometer. Laser provides highly directional beam profile. It is used for long distance communication. The modulation speed is high and the light output is coherent in nature. LED, light emitting diode. It works on the principle of spontaneous emission. It is a semiconductor junction diode in which light is emitted when current is passed through it in the forward bias condition. This is the symbol for LED. This is also the symbol for the laser diode. एक सिंपल पीएन जंक्शन डायोड में जब वो फॉरवर्ड बायस होता है, होल्स और इलेक्ट्रॉन्स कंबाइंड होते हैं, बट एनर्जी इज रिलीज्ड इन फॉर्म ऑफ हीट. इन केस ऑफ एलईडी, when electrons and holes combine, the energy is released in form of light. ये electrons, they fall from the conduction band to the valence band and the recombination takes place. और जो एनर्जी रिलीज है, it is in form of photons, that is light. This will depend upon the material used. Laser is the abbreviated form of light amplification by stimulated emission of radiation. It is rarely written as L.A.S.E.R, although ये इन सब का short form है, and it indicates the principle of operation, that is, the emission is stimulated resulting from excited atoms or ions. Initially, when the current is passed through the junction diode, photons are released by spontaneous emission. But हर एक फोटोन जो ओरिजिनली स्पॉन्टेनियस एमिशन से जनरेट हुआ, it will trigger several photon by stimulated emission, leading to stimulated coherent beam. Now, what is spontaneous emission and stimulated emission? हायर एनर्जी लेवल से एक एटम लोअर एनर्जी लेवल पे अपना फॉल होएगा, देन इट इज spontaneous emission, and this is the principle of LED, and it generates a non-coherent beam. बट अगर एक एक्सटर्नल फोटोन इस एटम को या आयन को हायर स्टेट से लोअर स्टेट में आने के लिए फोर्स करता है, देन दिस इज स्टिमुलेटेड emission, and it releases two photons which are at the same frequency and same phase. In this way, each photon triggers several other photons before it leaves the cavity, and so we have a coherent beam resulting from stimulated emission. Now, next is the drive circuit. This depends upon the application requirement, data format, and the light source. This is a simple drive circuit for LED. We have the signal voltage or the modulating signal applied at the base of the transistor, which are converted to the current variations. These current variations are converted to the light intensity variations by this LED source, so leading to intensity modulation of light. The optical monitor. It monitors the output of the laser and provides feedback to the drive circuit so that output power remains stable. Temperature monitor. The characteristics of semiconductor laser changes in temperature, and the lifetime of laser also decreases with increasing operated temperature, and the output power also decreases, which produces some changes in output wavelength of the light. So we have to keep the operating temperature stable, and this is attained by means of thermoelectric coolers. Then we have the optical modulators. These are optional because the light source itself provides direct intensity modulation of the modulating signal. But in case if the light source provides constant beam of light, then we use external modulator to change the light intensity in accordance to the modulating signals. Two type of Several types of external modulators are used. Here we have shown two most commonly used optical modulators are electro-absorption modulator, and second is Mach-Zehnder modulator. This is small and can be driven with a reasonably small voltage swing. Electrically, it is a reverse bias PN junction. The Mach-Zehnder modulator generates highest quality optical signal with the control amount of chip and high extinction ratio. So this is all about the elements of transmitter. Thank you.